Best wishes everyone. This is Vanapalli Harshike studying Farm Day. Today our topic is types of connective tissue. As we saw in the previous video, the connective tissue is divided into three types, that is connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue and fluid connective tissue. Now in this video let us see about connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper is again divided into loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. Coming to loose connective tissue, it is subdivided into areolar, adipose and reticular. Dense connective tissue is subdivided into dense regular, dense irregular and elastic. Now coming to the loose connective tissue, in this tissue cells and fibers are loosely arranged so as its name. Now ground substance is semi-fluid. Coming to the subtypes of the loose connective tissue, areolar tissue, adipose tissue and reticular tissue. Now characteristics of areolar tissue. It is one of the most widely distributed connective tissues in the body. All the 5 types of cells and 3 types of fibers of connective tissue are present. It has empty spaces called areolas. It forms the packing tissue in almost all the organs. It forms subcutaneous layers of the skin. Now coming to the adipose tissue, it is specialized for fat storage. Adipocytes, that means fat storing cells and few fibers are present. It acts as shock absorber in palms and soles. Coming to the reticular tissue, it forms the supporting framework of lymphoid organs such as bone marrow, spleen and lymph nodes. It has specialized fibroblasts called reticular cells. They secrete reticular fibers that form an interconnecting network. It forms the reticular lamina of the basement membrane. Now, the adipose tissue of loose connective tissue is also of two types, that is white adipose tissue and brown adipose tissue. Coming to the white adipose tissue, it is predominantly seen in adults. Where coming to the brown adipose tissue, it is seen in fetus and infants. In white adipose tissue, adipocyte has a single large lipid droplet so as called monolocular and metabolically less active and less vascular. Coming to the brown adipose tissue, adipocyte has several small lipid droplets, that is multilocular, and numerous mitochondria. It is metabolically active and generates heat to maintain body temperature required by infants. Comparatively more vascular than white adipose tissue, hence the brown color occurred to the brown adipose tissue. Now coming to the dense connective tissue. It consists of more fibers but fewer cells. It has very little ground substance. Tendons attach skeletal muscles to the bone. That means the tissues which attach skeletal muscles to the bone are known as tendons, and the tissues which attach bones to the bone, other bones, are known as ligaments. Based on the arrangement of fibers, it is of 3 types, that is dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue and elastic connective tissue. Now let's see about dense regular tissue. Collagen fibers are arranged parallel to one another in bundles. Examples, tendons and ligaments. Now coming to the dense irregular tissues, bundles of collagen fibers are irregularly arranged, and examples are periosteum, endosteum, pericardium, heart valves, joint capsule and deeper region of dermis of skin. Now coming to the elastic tissue, it is mainly made of yellow elastic fibers capable of considerable extension and recoil. It can recoil to its original shape when the forces of stretch are released. Coming to the examples, arteries, vocal cords, trachea, bronchi, and elastic ligaments present in between vertebrae. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.